Quick reading for May the 27th to May the 28th at Cancer. Your cards are the King of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Fool card. Parang fiery yung energy nito kahit may wind. Kasi parang merong gustong kumausap sa'yo. Although nahihiya pa, I think na nung mga nakaraang araw, baka gumagamit pa siya ng, let's say, medium, no? Pwedeng sa ibang tao, using phones, no? Internet to connect with you, parang tinitingnan pa. No? This person's testing the waters. Although with the full card, ito yata ay maglalakas siya ng loob na harapin ka, makipag-usap sa'yo, umamin sa'yo. Nandito kasi yung maraming gustong sabihin. Pwede rin ditong may apology with the Seven of Wands kung kayo yung nagkaroon ng separation. King of Wands, nandito yung sasabihin niya lahat. No, no filter, kumbaga. With the full card, pwedeng kinimkim niya ito ng matagal, kaya ngayon pa lang siya nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob to tell you all the things that this person wants to say. This is your quick reading for May the 27th to May the 28th, Cancer.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.